Hi, my name is Alexia Williams and I'm currently studying the Through Life Engineering Services Specialist Master's Apprenticeship at Rolls-Royce here in Bristol. Doing an apprenticeship allows me to combine academic study with practical work experience, gaining real-world insights that will serve me well throughout my career. I would not have had anywhere near the number of opportunities and industry experience I have had if I was at university full-time. Engineering is a field that is critical to shaping our world's future, and I'm proud to be a part of it. As a Master's Apprentice, I've had the opportunity to work on projects that have allowed me to apply my academic knowledge to real-world scenarios, developing innovative solutions that make a difference. I want to urge you to take the leap of faith. Apprenticeships offer a unique combination of academic learning to hands-on work experience that traditional education cannot. It requires a strong work ethic, a willingness to take on challenges, and a desire to make a positive impact, but it is so worth it once you're in the apprenticeship.